Today's key phrase is, let me know if. It means, please tell me if something happens. Listen to this conversation. A. I'm going to send you the report this afternoon. B. Great. Let me know if you need any help. A. Thanks. I'll tell you if I have any questions. Here is the pattern. Let me know if, plus a sentence. It means, please tell me if. It sounds polite and natural. Here are 3 examples. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you need more time. Let me know if the schedule changes. Now it's your turn. Translate the Japanese sentence on the screen into English. Use today's phrase. Let me know if. The answer is, let me know if you need to change the schedule. Let me know if, plus a sentence. Use it when you want someone to tell you something.